Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is the first video of 2025 for my channel. I was sick and I'm just now feeling better, so I want to get back into making some videos for you guys. As you can see here, I got the Destiny Gundam Spec 2 with the Zeus silhouette in. I've got a lot of other kits in also. I got the Black Knight squad, Korea, however you say it. Also got in the Murasame Kai. And I'll set these over here for a minute. My Gundam Base Limited G-Self Perfect Pack movie version came in also. I'm excited about this kit. Let's see. Zuda. HG Gabaldi B. This is the Gabflay, RX Gabflay. And other kit that I got in is the Palace Athene, which I'm looking forward to all of these Zeta kits. I really like the designs. So these are some of the things that you're going to be seeing on my channel. Also, I do have a third-party kit that I want to build soon too. I picked up this kit here. Hold on a second. Let me move this out of the way and I will show you this kit. It is the Apocalypse, and it's by Tamer A, I think is how you say it. And this is a metal frame kit. It's something that reminded me a lot of a Seed design. It reminded me of the Providence Gundam a bit with the backpack, and I just thought it'd be really cool, and I want to do a really nice paint job on it and things like that. Maybe change a few of the colors to a little bit different shades or something. I'm not sure yet. I'm working on getting my live build setup together. I haven't finally figured out my camera issues. That was another thing that I know I've been wanting to go and do live streams, but I haven't had a chance to. So hopefully that'll be here soon. Let me show you some of the other things that arrived. And hold on a second. And I have to move some things around. I'm very limited on space right now, so Alright, the Justice Gundam, the MG Justice Gundam. I have built this kit before, but I want to do this kit a little differently. It's a really awesome kit, and I think that everybody that's a Seed fan, should probably build that kit at some point. These are some of the things that I got for it. This here is a metal frame kit for it. So I want to do the metal frame kit for it, and since we're doing the metal frame kit for it, which took me most of the year to find one that I could order that wasn't outrageous, I have the Fortune Meow Studios resin kit for it. I think I showed this last year at some point, but I want to do all this on the live stream though. So all the parts for it, and I got the paint and everything that I need for it to make it the right colors, and then you'll get to see how resin kits are to work with. So that should be something really fun to do sometime during the year. I want to get this live stream thing up and going before I go ahead and start this project. In the meantime, let me know down in the comments what kits or what kits that I have gotten this year already at the beginning of the year that you would really like to see built on my channel and reviewed. So I think today we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing on the Destiny Spec 2 Zeus silhouette. So we'll go ahead and open that up. You can see the side of the box. There's some really nice pictures on there. Also, I'm on my other workbench. If you notice, I got that all nice and cleaned off. So the artwork on this is really awesome. Here's some more of the side of that box, and of course the other side looks like the same thing. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what's in this box. Okay. Now I was told that this version of the Destiny is exactly the same one as the high grade that we got a few years back. So I'm not sure if it'll have the exact seed system or not. Like for the newer stuff, but that model kit was a really good kit. I don't have an original colored Destiny, so I have the orange version. So I went ahead and decided I'd go ahead and I'd spend the money and get this kit and build it up on the channel for you guys. So anyways, let's get into this. So we have, let's see here, what's in this here. Check out the parts in this one here. Oh, there's the stickers right off the bat. So you can see there's not too many for this. So it got some eyes and some cameras, and looks like a gun camera. I'm not sure what these are for, but I can't remember. Anyways, so let's toss that over there. This looks like parts for the Zeus silhouette cannon. So there's one runner, and this is definitely parts for the Zeus silhouette. That's two runners. Looks like more parts over here for that. It's a some multicolored runners. If I can get these to open. Some of these bags will open fine, some of them don't want to open, probably because I'm trying to do this on camera. Anyways, let's see here. Yep, definitely parts for the Zeus silhouette. These are called ZB, so that's probably what, oh, it does. It says Zeus silhouette on here. Alright, so we have two of the same runners there. It looks like the leg parts, maybe. And there are some poly caps in this, I believe, here. But they're not actually polycap material. So you got, oh, I guess these aren't polycaps. Oh, I thought these were, no, I guess these are just arm parts. So it's been a long time since I've built this, the Destiny, so we'll kind of go over it. I also have an RG Destiny that I want to build at some point. Maybe I'll do that and we can compare them. Here's the new V-fin. As you see, it's no longer yellow or gold. It is a gray, like the rest of the body part. So it was just a color change, I think, honestly. And these are for the wings and for the torso. And yep, see, you can do either V-fin you want. So there's the yellow one, and it's actually a little different color of yellow. And you got the sword, and the effect parts look really nice. They're very, very see-through. You could actually spray those with like a clear color to give it a better effect. Would look really nice. Maybe a little bit of a white and a pink tinge. I'm not sure. Let me see. More parts for the Zeus silhouette. This is the barrel, and there's the clip and the body of it. There's a lot of plastic in this. Now I got this on sale, so it wasn't too bad. It was under $100. I think it was like $82 or something I got it for. So it wasn't too bad. The price is what was making me not think I was going to get this kit, honestly. But I went ahead and got it. So there's more of the Zeus silhouette, more of the Zeus silhouette. This whole thing has a lot of really big parts on runners in it. It looks kind of intimidating. I don't think it's going to be that bad of a build, honestly. And more Destiny parts in a gray instead of the white. And it looks, there's the gun and more of those parts. Now, I guess this kit does not have polycaps. I thought I remembered it having a couple polycaps in the shoulders, but I guess I was wrong. Like I said, it's been a long time. It was when the kit actually came out that I built it last. So, and that's more Zeus silhouette, more Zeus silhouette, and we get into some effect parts for the Wings of Light, and we have another runner for the wings. Yes, see, there is see, I was right. There is polycaps. There are some polycaps. Now, I think the polycaps are just going to be for the Destiny. I don't think these will be used in the Zeus silhouette. So, and here's a duplicate runner for the wings. But look at those Wings of Light effect parts. Those are really nice. And here's the effect for the sword, and these here for the beam boomerang. The boom boomerang? Yeah. I can't talk today. Anyways, those are really nice looking effect parts. Let's start setting all of this back in here. This comes with 2 stands because otherwise you're not going to be able to hold that up. So we have 2 of the same runners. These are all clear ABS, and those are pretty nice stands. The rail gun for the back, and we're down to the manual. And the manual has that box art on it. It's really nice. Has English and Japanese. Tells you about the Destiny Gundam Spec 2 and about Shin. And here's the parts list. There's a lot in there, and it's gonna just go over all of the stuff. Now it looks like they put the stands as the first things to build. That's probably so you can hold everything up as you build it, honestly. And it goes into the construction of the Destiny, and that's not a lot of pages there for the Destiny. So we're already to the weapons and the wings, and now the Zeus silhouette. So like I said, it's going to be a lot of big parts for the Zeus silhouette. It is going to look really cool, all painted up and done. I'm really excited about this. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the real grade Akatsuki. I'm not. It depends on if I can get it on sale or not. I'm kind of not happy with the fact they went back to using the original frame system on the RG for it. I think that was kind of a letdown, considering we've had some really great RGs that had full inner frames instead of the pre-assembled frames that don't hold up very well. But anyways, this is how you will put it together and attach it, and it does go onto the stand, and then it shows how to attach it to the Destiny, and more on how to attach the parts to the Destiny, and more on how to attach the parts to the Destiny, and then a really cool shot of the Destiny with the stands and the Zeus silhouette. And on the back is, here's all the color chart. If you want to pause it and look, you can read it. I think that's good. The thing that I'm worried about with this is there's no, I did order water slide decals for this kit, but there's no where to put anything. It doesn't show you, so we'll figure that out later. But there's some really nice shots of the Destiny and the Zeus silhouette in the flyer mode and as the gun. So, alright. Well, this is going to be it for this video today. I just wanted to kind of show you what I've gotten. Next up, we'll go over, maybe I'll show you some of the process of me building and painting this kit. Otherwise, I'll move on to one of the other high grades that I have, or I'm not sure yet. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to live stream any of this, because that's what I would really like to do. Let me know down in the comments also of this video what day and time would be good for you all to watch me live stream. That way I know and I could set it up. I almost forgot the stickers in there. And let me know which one of these kits that I showed today you're most excited to see me put together and build. And we'll work on that. Alright, well, I will see you in the next video. Or I will see you live stream. I'm not sure yet. So leave it down in the comments. I need a day and a time so I know what days and times it's best for you guys to watch me live stream. I'm gonna try and do a dual live stream on YouTube and on Twitch. Couldn't remember the name of it. So anyways, that's it for today's video. I just kind of wanted to go over and show you some of the stuff that's going to be upcoming this year. I have a lot of other kits too. I might slot a few in here and a few in there. But all in all, I wanted to just say I'm still alive. My channel's still here. I'm still going to build. I'm still building. I'm enjoying building. And I can't wait to do live stream builds with you guys. Anyways, thank you all for being a subscriber. If you're not subscribed, please go down below, hit that subscription button. It'll mean a lot to me and to my channel. I'm trying to make it grow as much as possible this year. And if you would like to get notifications when I put out new videos about things like this, or when I'm going to be live streaming, you'll get a notification. Make sure you hit that bell notification icon and select all. That way you get the notification. Alright, well, I will see you all in the next one.